Hello everyone, back to the normal classes again. Today we are going to start with the new chapter, construction of quadrilaterals, and the first exercise 14a. This is the simplest chapter you will see in the whole textbook. There are hardly few variations and different exercises on this chapter. So for that you should know all the properties of quadrilaterals, then only it will be easy for you to go for the construction. Okay, so let's start with the class today. First variation or the type of construction of quadrilaterals which we are going to see today is when all the sides of a quadrilateral are given along with one diagonal. ठीक है, एक diagonal दिया होगा and सारे sides आपको अगर दिए हैं quadrilateral के, how you can construct the quadrilateral. ठीक है, I'll just tell you few important instructions or tips for construction. Is always go for a rough sketch and always write down a given data. Why you have to draw a rough sketch is, if you are not drawing a rough sketch, then if you are drawing a rough sketch, you will have some idea how your construction look like. अगर गलती हो सकती है तो that can be minimized, वो गलती हटा सकते हो. But अगर आपने फेयर कंस्ट्रक्शन कर लिया देन यू विल रियलाइज कि नहीं आपने कुछ तो गलती करी, you will spend or you will waste your time in erasing that and writing or the drawing same construction again. That time can be saved here, and so you should go for the rough sketch always. Okay, in this type of variation, like all the sides and one diagonal is given, when the single diagonal is given and all the sides are given, you should take a base as a diagonal. What I mean is, let's read the first question from exercise 14a. Construct a quadrilateral. I'll take the first one, where AB is given as 3.6 centimeter, then BC is given as 5.5 centimeter, then CD is given as 4.9 centimeter, then DA is given as 5.3 centimeter, and AC is given as 7.2 centimeter. Okay, so let's draw a rough sketch for this. For example, I'm just drawing a random quadrilateral, doesn't matter a shape or something. What you should understand is how your figure look alike. Okay, if I say A, B, C, D, AB is equal to 3.6, BC is equal to 5.5, then CD is equal to 4.9, DA is equal to 5.3, AC is equal to 7.2. These things are given. Whenever all the sides of quadrilateral along with one diagonal is given, make a base as your diagonal, and your diagonal is AC. Okay, and the measurement is 7.2 centimeter. Always write down the measurements, always write down the units, otherwise you lose your marks for all those small things. Now AC we have from A to C. एक साइड में B मिलेगा, एक साइड में D मिलेगा, right? So A to B distance is B. यहीं पे क्यों आएगा? यहाँ पे नहीं आ सकता? बिल्कुल आ सकता है. That is your choice. आप चाहो यहाँ भी लिखो, आप चाहो यहाँ भी लिखो. It just distance should be correct. A to B distance is 3.6 centimeter. Now take a distance equal to 3.6 in a compass and draw a random arc. Keep pointer at A. Draw a random arc of 3.6 centimeter. Now B to C distance कितना है? B to C or C to B is 5.5. Again, take a distance of 5.5 in a compass, keep a pointer on C and mark an arc. ठीक है? जहाँ पे ये दोनों arc cut होगी, that point is B, because this distance is 3.6 and this distance is 5.5. Of course, in centimeters. Now you got the upper part of a triangle or quadrilateral. Now the lower one, same procedure. A to D is 5.3. A to D is 5.3. Take a distance 5.3 in a compass. Draw a random arc. Then C to D is 4.9. Take a distance and draw again a random arc. Just join this point. This is 5.3 centimeter and this is 4.9 centimeter. Okay, easy है. All the sides and one diagonal is given. Make a diagonal as base. Then draw a rough sketch is very important. अगर sketch draw नहीं कर रहे हो आपको हो सकता है, I'm not saying you will do a mistake, but probably you will do a mistake which can be avoided if you have a rough sketch. ठीक है, write down the given data, rough sketch and your fair diagram. Clear? All the arcs should be filled. आपको दिख रहा है main construction and arc में difference है. It can be highlighted arcs are filled. ठीक है, घोटना नहीं है arc को, एक ही बार draw करना. That's it. Because your main construction is not an arc but the lines or the quadrilateral. Clear? I'll take one more example from this exercise. First one I'm done. I will go for the second one. PQRS, where what is given here in the second example? PQRS is a quadrilateral where PQ is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Then QR is equal to 5.5 centimeters and QS is equal to 5.5 centimeter. Then PS is equal to 4.5 centimeter and SR is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Okay, so let's consider this again as PQRS. There is a quadrilateral PQRS now. Okay, PQRS, where PQ is 3.5, QR is 5.5, then QS is equal to QS is equal to 5.5 and PS is equal to 4.5 and SR is equal to 4.5. Okay, how we should proceed? We have all the sides and one diagonal. So your diagonal should be a base. Diagonal क्या होना चाहिए? Base होना चाहिए. Diagonal है QS, QS. Length is 5.5 centimeter. Now this is QS लिखा. Q के एक साइड में R है, Q के एक साइड में P है. आप कोई भी पोर्शन फर्स्ट कवर कर सकते हो. ठीक है, Q to R is 5.5. Q to R, R यहीं पे कहीं तो होगा अपर पोर्शन में अगर मैं कर रही हूँ तो. For that, take a distance of 5.5 in your rounder or a compass. Draw a random arc with the distance 5.5. ठीक है, then Q to R हुआ, then R to S is 4.5. अब लेना है आपको डिस्टेंस 4.5 in your compass. Draw a random arc and just join this portion. This is 5.5 and this is 4.5 centimeter. Clear? R मिल गया. How about P? Q to P is 3.5. Q to P is 3.5. यहाँ से again take a distance of 3.5 in a compass. Keep your pointer over here. Draw a random arc of 3.5 and another from S to P is 4.5. यहाँ से 4.5 distance. Draw a random arc and just join them. You will get your quadrilateral. Okay, this is 3.5 centimeter and 4.5 centimeter. About this P and R, जरूरी नहीं कि मैंने ऐसे कि तो आपको भी यही करना है. Label it properly. आप R नीचे ले सकते हो, P ऊपर ले सकते हो. That is all your choice. What important is you should know how your figure look like. That's it. Clear? So this was the second one from exercise 14A. Let's go for the third one. In question number 3, just read the question. Now just read the question. AB is equal to, given is AB is equal to 6 centimeter, then BC is equal to 5 centimeter, then AD is equal to 4 centimeter, then CD equal to 7 centimeter, then BD is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, and you have to draw a quadrilateral. Again, a random quadrilateral, a rough sketch where I can draw A, B, C and D. Now what is given? AB is equal to 6 centimeter. Then BC is equal to 5. CD, AD is equal to 4. CD is equal to 7. And BD is equal to 6. This is how your quadrilateral should look alike. ऐसे अगर उसको rotate किया, if this is the diagonal, your quadrilateral will look like this. That's it. ठीक है? So whenever single diagonal and all the four sides are given, make a base is equal to a diagonal, and that is here BD. Length of BD is equal to 6 centimeters. Okay. Now how about point A and C? From B to A is again 6 centimeter. B to A अगर मैंने यहाँ पे calculate किया, keep a pointer on B, take a random distance in your compass, draw an arc. ठीक है? B to A मिल गया, यहाँ पे कहीं पे भी point A हो सकता है. From D to A, यहाँ पे दूसरा point D है, D to A is 4, so this is nothing but 4. Just join them. Okay, this is 6 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, and the point is A. Okay, then how about B, C and D? How you will get point C? B to C is 5. Take a distance of 5 centimeter in your compass, draw a random arc. Then how about C and D? Take a distance of 7 centimeter in your compass and draw an arc. Just join the point. You will get your point D. B to D is, sorry, B to C over here. I'm so sorry. B to C is 5 and C to D is 7 centimeters. Clear? Okay. So just check out how you can do it when all the sides and one diagonal is given. तब क्या कर सकते हैं हम लोग? We have to simply take a diagonal as a base. Diagonal will be as a base and all the sides you can draw. दो triangle में इसको divide करो. जैसे आप SSS triangle draw करते हो, just like that. Keep a base, upper triangle and lower triangle. दोनों triangle join करो. You will get your construction. The last one, question number 4. I'll read the question for you, and you have to see what can be done in that. Okay, we will discuss it, but I won't tell you the answer. You have to find out the answer for the reason. I'll read the question for you. Is it possible to construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB, BC, CD, DA, and BD are given? Okay, I'll just draw a rough construction. Suppose there is a quadrilateral. It is just a rough sketch. It is not like ये quadrilateral बनेगा ही और नहीं बनेगा. ठीक है? If AB, if it is given AB is equal to 3 centimeter, BC is equal to 4, CD is equal to 5.5, and DA is equal to 6 centimeters. ठीक है? Now what? Question is it possible to construct this quadrilateral? If not, give a reason. पहले तो देखो ये क्वाड्रिलेटरल बनेगा क्या? वन मोर इज गिवन, डायगोनल मस्ट बी गिवन, डायगोनल BD is equal to BD, I'm so sorry, this is BD is equal to 9 cm, it is given. You have to check ये क्वाड्रिलेटरल पॉसिबल है कि नहीं, ठीक है? ये क्वाड्रिलेटरल बना कैसे? बाय दीज टू ट्रायंगल्स. तो अगर ट्रायंगल बने तो क्वाड्रिलेटरल बनेगा, अगर ट्रायंगल ही नहीं बना तो क्वाड्रिलेटरल ऑब्वियसली नहीं बनेगा, इज इट? सो यू हैव टू चेक बाय द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ ट्रायंगल whether you can draw these two triangles on this base. कर सकते हो कि नहीं कर सकते हो, ठीक है? तो इसमें प्रॉपर्टी कौन सी आएगी? Do you know one property of a triangle that sum of any two sides of a triangle should be greater than the third one, ठीक है? ये दो साइड की एडिशन इससे ज़्यादा होनी चाहिए. ये सब के लिए मैच हो रहा है कि नहीं देखना है, ठीक है? This was the hint I have given. You have to check whether you can draw this quadrilateral. Yes or no, whatever. If no, give the reason. If yes, then draw it. That's it. Okay. So here we have finished exercise 14A. One more thing, always your generalized homework, solve examples before exercises that you have to finish. Okay. So this is enough for today. See you in the next class. Bye everyone.